Hey, what's good, people? This is your boy Lucky coming to you on a rainy Wednesday afternoon. Didn't get any pull up out of it and whatnot, but it has been raining here like cats and dogs for the last about 45 minutes. Not complaining. We need it. It's been a scorcher here, as well as we just need the rain and whatnot. So hopefully I got some rain on my side of town. We were at about 100 degrees around 3. It is now 4:30 and we're down to 72. So hey, thank God for the rain. It's been a minute since I made a last video for YouTube, and thought I'd take the opportunity to make one today. Nothing major has been going on, just doing what we pipers do, smoking our pipes and trying out new pipe tobaccos, and hopefully coming across a pipe that you can't resist and you have to pick it up. And I think since the last time we talked, I picked up another pipe, a Meerschaum. And that's when I'll be featuring on the next video. But right now, just enjoying a Apple Orchard pipe tobacco that was sent to me by a friend out of Georgia. Pretty good. I'm always excited about getting a new tobacco and it being a flavored tobacco, and it actually tastes and smells like the indicated flavor. This is supposed to be Apple Orchard, and it actually tastes like apples. So I'm happy about that. I've kind of moved away from the flavors. Don't smoke the flavors as much as I used to. Still do the aromatics, but really getting into the English blends now. I'm a big Frog Morton fan. I like everything they make, the whole series. Just brought a tin called Purple Cow, and this is a nice English, very, very strong flavor. And when I say flavor, it has that very strong English tone to it. And but then too, it's not pungent. It's not to the point where it's offensive. It doesn't give off an offensive room note. So I'm looking forward to really getting into that. I tried one bowl, and it's been about a week since I had an opportunity to smoke that particular brand. So when I go home tonight, that's my plan, to sit back, chill, get some work done, and smoke that Purple Cow. But that's really about it on this end. Again, always good to see my fellow pipers out there smoking their pipes and talking about life and how the pipes are intertwined and all that. And so I'll continue to say that, hey, it's a lifestyle. Everybody can understand this. It's a lifestyle. But until the next time, I see you on YouTube. This is your boy, The Omega Forever, coming to you on a wet Wednesday, Hump Day Wednesday.
103.1 Kiss FM.
Which is not bad. So it's all good. Stay well. Be good. Peace.